Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a rule with a specific subject on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to within Home. Navigate to Rules. Let's go to Edit Rules. To create a brand new rule, go to the plus sign. For this rule, the name will be Subject. The email will come from the ComputerScienceVideos@gmail account. Let's type that in. Double click to confirm that we are sending from ComputerScienceVideosBusiness@gmail.com. Now click on the plus sign. Change this to subject. We can add a search item. Let's add that in now. So hello will be the search item. Click on this. As you can now see, the subject contains hello. Do the following. Let's move to the folder Computer Science Videos. That's fine. Click on OK. So what we will do once we have saved this is now send two emails from the Computer Science Videos business Gmail account. One with the subject hello, one without. And you'll see that there's one in the focused and one in the Computer Science Videos folder. So let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, enter to open up the web browser. Now let's go to the top right corner where we have Gmail, click on this, and now let's compose the email, increase the size of this. We are sending to admin, click on this. Within the subject, which is the main part of this tutorial, let's type in hello, let's compose the email. Dear admin, please see the email below. Kind regards, CSV. This email is now ready to send. So let's click on send. Let's now compose another email which will be sent to the admin account. Within the subject, we will add something else other than hello. So let's just say CSV, compose a new email. Please see the email below. Kind regards, CSV. Let's now send this email. Let's now quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Microsoft Outlook. As you can see, we now have one email within the Computer Science Videos folder. There we go. Dear admin, please see the email below, kind regards, and the subject was hello. You can also see that we also have another email within the inbox that has the subject CSV, hello admin, please see the email below. And that rule that we had created to send an email with a subject hello into Computer Science Videos was working in full effect. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.